Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt with yogurt starter. First, gently heat your milk to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, stirring occasionally to prevent scorching. This step eliminates any competing bacteria. Next, allow the milk to cool down to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature is crucial for the starter culture to thrive. Ensure your starter is ready as per its instructions. Once your milk reaches 110 degrees Fahrenheit, it's time to introduce the starter. Gently whisk the prepared yogurt starter into the milk until it is fully incorporated. Then, carefully pour the mixture into clean jars or your chosen incubation vessel. Maintain a consistent temperature between 105 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit for 6 to 12 hours, allowing the cultures to work their magic. After the incubation period, check your yogurt for a firm set. It should pull away cleanly from the side of the jar. You'll also notice a pleasant, tangy aroma. Once it's set, transfer the yogurt to the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. This chilling process halts fermentation and further thickens the yogurt. Properly stored, your homemade yogurt will last for up to 2 weeks. For the best results, always use fresh, high-quality milk. If your yogurt turns out too thin, consider extending the incubation time or increasing the amount of starter culture in your next batch. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Remember to save a small portion of your finished yogurt to use as a starter for your very next batch, ensuring a continuous supply of delicious homemade goodness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.